How to use affirmation words to overcome regret and anxiety. Why regret can lead to depression if you don't manage your emotions. In this message, I'll share with you how to use affirmation words to overcome regret and anxiety. For me, whenever I feel happy, a few minutes later, I find myself feeling low and demoralized. When I'm in good spirits, I cannot help but expect bad events to follow. I have a worrying mentality that psychologytools.com describes as a form of thinking about the future and/or events in a way that leaves you feeling anxious or apprehensive. My mind is always racing, and I've tried to block this excessive worrying disorder, which is also a symptom of generalized anxiety disorder, but due to my desire to break free and achieve my dreams, it's hard to fall asleep and not wake up in the middle of the night thinking about what went wrong, how to fix it, and why I feel trapped in a cycle that prevents me from achieving success. How to use affirmation words to overcome regret and anxiety. When you dig a depression hole in your mind, beware that it's not deep or you'll fail to climb out. Depression, for me, is a disease that we can overcome. If your mind can lure you into believing that failure's certain, you can change your thinking and view the world differently. That's what I did, and it helped me close my depression hole and build a foundation over it. The advantages of using affirmation words in your life. Use these affirmation words when you feel depressed or your anxiety levels are high. Say these words to yourself, and you will overcome your excessive worrying mentality. I am so proud of you. I am grateful for you. I am enough. You are so special to me. Healing takes time. I appreciate you. And tell yourself that I am loved. Most of the time we want to hear these words coming from other people, though tell them to yourself because you matter, and loving yourself is the first step to a healthy heart. Tell yourself to stop worrying because you cannot change everything, but you can change the way you view the world around you. For me, my journey to success hasn't been easy. I've been down my depression hole for long periods of time trying to find ways to judge myself. When I finally decided that enough was enough, I climbed out, and I haven't gone back down. Affirmation words are very important. Use them and collect quotes you can use in your life. Use the support links on my website to find books and tools you can use in your life. You can support me by using the links provided on my profile page to overcome anxiety and depression. I'm happier now than I've ever been because I found a way out of that dark cycle. Conclusion. How to use affirmation words to overcome regret and anxiety. Falling down a deep depression hole takes time. Just know that coming out of it is possible, and when you change your thinking, your emotional intelligence grows.